My name is Mia, and I play the cello. Looks might be deceiving, but I'm not a belly dancer. I just really like to play the cello. My entire family is musical. My dad used to be in a band. That's my dad. He gets on my nerves sometimes. My mom used to be in a band too, I think. But she was around music a lot. She likes music. She can hang around for a little bit. And then I have a little brother. He's just kind of here. We're not really sure what for, but he's here, and that's what's important. I love him, but he can go away now. This is the story of my life. I'm gonna do some more cello dancing first. Maybe not a little so whippy. This is the story of how my life changed forever one day. Because one day, my entire family and I were driving in the car on a way to go visit some friends. And as you can tell, there was a terrible accident. Everybody died but me. And my life changed forever. I ended up in a coma. My body and my sock puppet is actually currently in a coma state right now. And all I wanted was my boyfriend. I know he looks like my dad. Ignore that. He's really sad about me being in a coma. I think it's weird that he keeps trying to make out with me while I'm in a coma, but that's fine. I sure do miss him. And then there's my best friend, Kim. Kim should come a little closer. But she's always been really emotionally distant, so I guess it's appropriate. There she goes. So Kim's sad, and my boyfriend should look less sad, or more sad, because he just kind of really seems like he's having a party right now. There we go. That's much better. And stop making out with me while I'm half dead, because that's creepy.
It's a friendly hug.
Yeah, that's what he said, do. So everybody's really sad that I'm gone, and they pull all sorts of crazy hijinks to try to get me to wake back up. There was this one thing with a rock star where she sang to create a diversion, but they wouldn't let Adam come in to see me, and so he was still really sad. It's really confusing how he was making out with me even when he wasn't here, though. Sorry, consolatory hug. So at the very end of this, I was really sad about my family dying, because I knew that they died, because obviously I'm in a coma right now. So my ghost is flying around, though, which is how I'm still here talking to you. And Adam plays me a song, and it's my favorite song, and I didn't know what happened. But he brought back that one part of me that just made me come alive again. The end.